man, where you go? I mean, you there, you can't run no food, no camera tonight. You can't run. You have to come back, man. You have to come back. You can't run, man.
Don't worry.
Remember, say, man, you have to cook food, man.
Don't worry.
It's full of taste.
Give me a cereal.
So I'm gonna.
I feel warmed inside, and you are amazing. You're an angel. I was hungry. You fed me. Thank you very much.
What am I saying? You can't stop. You know what that means?
Seems like there's some form of food fair going on here on Croydon High Street. Very different type of food. Mark, let me show them where I go on, because you know it's a cooking channel. Show them what's happening out here. Okay. Good stuff? Good stuff? That's it. See what's over here. That is it. Alright. See, big man over there, so I deal with bag as well. Yes, people, so we're on the high street. Bare things are going on the high street today. Alright. What's this? Cheshire Cheese Company. And we got over here. What's this? What you got going on over here, mate? Roast pork there.
Roast pork, foot-long sausage and milk.
Foot-long sausages. Yeah, foot-long sausages, people.
Sausage?
That is it. Alright, big up yourself, mate. That is it, we're outside. 1 second. You right there, love? I thought I was talking to the gentleman there for a minute, but I realised that he was just stuck. Alright, no problem.
I don't know why I've done something like that. Now I'm sat talking to the other one. And do you know what? She gave me a lend of £18, yeah? She said, where's my £18? No, that was your rent.
Dave, where's I put this?
Just down there, pressure right.
Yeah?
Yeah. And I cover it with, let me get a tissue and I cover it.
Bread.
Yeah, thank you. But
yes, people, so we're just outside right now getting some ingredients. How much is this scallion?
2 for 1.
And one? Okay, let me get one scallion. Vegetable soup today, people, are good vibes. That is it. We're outside. Did you put a carrot there for me as well?
Yeah.
Is there a carrot in the bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, put me one carrot, yeah? And let me get 2 red onion. Just 2 red onion. Yes, people, wagwan. So we're on a mission today, you know. So yeah, man, we're outside. That is it, a good vibes. Yeah, man. So the mission is to feed 1 million people. So I got box them down like, oh, Ali. That is it, a good vibes.
Mommy, you know this man. Cook it like that, Josie. Mommy, you know this man. You know this man. No.
Cut the jackfruit.
Very famous man.
Cut the jackfruit. Cut the jackfruit. Cut the jackfruit.
Very famous.
Can I put it on camera?
No.
Okay. Cut the jackfruit.
He's very famous man.
Good morning, mommy.
Good morning.
Good morning. That is it.
How famous are you?
Not famous, just
He's
I like
famous
food.
man,
I
but
enjoy food, that's it.
okay.
This is the most expensive fruit in the world, people.
I've got a famous son, so you know, like,
What's your son's name?
he's a runner.
A
Great
runner?
Britain, yeah, that's what
A
I'm
good
saying.
vibe. A good vibe.
Really good. Yeah.
What you say I eat, Rasta?
Huh?
Jelly.
Jelly man, jelly
Yeah.
coconut, you know what I'm saying?
Mommy, yeah, how much you want?
See, too much of drink it and waste it, innit?
Mommy, whatever you like.
You may taste
I
it.
don't taste it. It's, if you keep it, it's more live.
Look like it's alright. That's what I'm saying, this all I have.
Oh,
We have
please.
to cut that in half. I can't afford all of it.
That will make sense, you know.
What I'm saying, I've got £10, you got £6 here.
No, I'll charge you £5, so plus 10. Give me £15, please.
I haven't got £15.
It's for whole family, man.
Joseph should have £15.
You know,
10 pound for the piece of jackfruit. Look at that, everybody. £10. Yeah.
Look at here.
So you say, mommy, that they're too
The
expensive?
biggest fruit in the world.
good food is never too expensive. I
Yeah.
don't. But I thought it's
Mommy is
Joseph,
my,
he knows when I come.
mommy is my loyal customer, you know, many years. Last
vibes.
15 years, mommy is my customer.
He knows I come here and spend my money.
That's food, that's $3.99.
We've got a nice, happy community here today at Surrey Street Market. People coming out to get their fresh fruits and vegetables. What did I say? People have come out today to get their fresh fruits and vegetables. You understand? Here you can get things that's imported, coming from all around the world, people, yeah? That is it, a good vibes. Look at the lady there. She's touching the sweet potato. Yeah, man, a good vibes. See the jackfruit, yeah? All right, we could try the jackfruit, yeah, people. See the jackfruit, yeah, sweet? That is it. So today we are feeding the homeless people in Croydon. Give thanks for life. Jackfruit, me consume. That is it, people. How is everybody? Hope everybody's good and well. I hope you enjoy Germany. A good vibe. Ronnie! Outside. Yes, people, so we're just coming to fishmongers quickly. A good vibes as well. Ronnie's just making me get some water. That is it. Outside. Yeah, man, a busy day in the fishmongers. Yeah, man, fish are gone. Huh? Yeah, I know you're busy.
Yeah, man.
That's good. I'm good. You're putting in the work as usual.
Oh, that's good, man.
Yeah, come on. Good vibes here in Croydon today, people, yeah. Man, them over there, so look. That is it. That is it. Water. People, welcome to 24-Hour Kitchen. I'm Ringo Vision, people, yeah. We're here once again on the mission. Come and have a look, people, yeah. Our trolley is full up of ingredients, people, yeah. Alright, so far we've fed 8,446 people, yeah. The marathon continues, yeah. Expressing, feeding to the homeless and giving back to the needy. That is it. So look, we've got a pot on. You know what I go on first of all, people, yeah. We're going to start peel up the pumpkin. And we're going to start put the first thing in the pot is the pumpkin, people, yeah. A good vibe. That is it. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, is just prepping the pumpkin. Because that's going to be our... Come in and have a look, yeah. So I'm just prepping the pumpkin, people, yeah. Because the pumpkin's the first thing to go in the pot. A good vibe. Alright, you see the pumpkin, yeah. The pumpkin is what's actually going to give us our sweetness. And you see this colour here? That's the colour that we're looking for later on in the transition in the pot, everybody, yeah. So we're live here up on the roadside now. Spin the camera around Dante, let me see what I go on. Yeah, man, big up Dante is on camera today, people. Yeah, good vibe.
Well, I mean, I can, when I say
yeah, man, Dante, how you been?
Chilling, man. I'm cool, man. How about you?
Yes, Dante, you know, I've been on a mission, said way. I was cooking for a funeral the other day.
Okay.
For 300 people. Cooking some red pea soup, Dante, for a funeral still.
Okay.
So a good vibe. Yes, just prepping the pumpkin, that is it. Alright everyone, so what I'm doing right now, yeah, I'm just prepping the ingredients. So what I've done, yeah, I've prepped the pumpkin now, yeah. So look, it's a quick thing right now, just a quick rinse off, you understand? So we've got a drain right here that we're working with. Wax, give me a hand please. So this is where wax come involved right now.
Yo, what's happening, people?
Yeah, understand?
Let's go, guys.
One second, Wax, one second.
They got everyone.
Wax, how you been?
I've been right, you know, what we're on.
Yeah, it's not too much. Take time.
We got everyone though on the live. We got the TikTok crew. You got yourself, thank you.
Yes, Dante. So inside, you know, pumpkin going first. Rinse off this next piece of pumpkin. Look at it.
Let's look at it.
Yeah. Thank you, my brother. That is it. Teamwork make a dream work.
You see there? Right, boom.
Good vibes. Yes, people. So remember that we're on a mission right now. Yeah, big up yourself. Good vibes. Remember that we're on a mission right now, people. Yeah, and the agenda is to feed 1 million people. Yeah. So the marathon continues. Look what a beautiful day. You understand? We're outside. Coming like it's a summer's day. That's how glorifying it is to be out here and be cooking, and the blessings are reaching us. So you understand? So we're spreading the blessing, people, yeah? That is it, yeah? Our good vibes, fresh fruits and vegetables, organic fruits and vegetables right here at Surrey Street Market. You understand, people? Yeah. And if you do want to participate and you do want to get involved on the journey, on the mission, you understand, you can donate either through to my PayPal, which is Ringo Vision, or if you want to donate things that we're using, like the cups, the plates, the spoons, the tissues, you can do so as well. We're mainly in Croydon, people, yeah. You can send an email, a good vibes, big up yourself, those of you that has come through. Angelo, you came and met me the other day, so Angelo, big up yourself, my brother. He came after work just to come and make a donation, you understand? A good vibes, one love, my brother, yeah. And to each and every one of you else that has made donations and that has been helping on the journey, one love to each and every one of you as well. A good vibes, that is it. Yo, pot a bubble, you know? Let me say, pot, that is it. You see when pot a bubble, food a cook, wax, let me say.
With that bubble, the food will cook. You see when that's bubbling?
Yeah.
Trust me. Yeah, hey, everyone knows anyway. But
listen,
boom,
yeah.
Wait for this
don't
one.
Wait everyone, yeah. More time when you hear the background noise, don't feel no way, cause Waps is a loudspeaker. I've had to say, Waps, turn it down. Yeah. But that is Waps.
Alright, sorry guys, but yeah, stay tuned in because we got so much more to come. So keep locked in, keep locked on, stay tuned.
And more time more time Waps and Dante, yeah, they got the behind the scenes on their TikTok, you know. Yeah. TikTok. Hello, Dante. You got the behind the scenes. TikTok. I'm on TikTok. Dante local. See, that is it.
Big up friends as well. Big up 24-hour table time. Big up friends though. Yeah, boom as well.
That is
friends
it.
as well. Yeah.
Outside.
Big up my Ringo. Humble always, man. Come on, man. Ringo's doing the most righteous job. Yeah. Unconditional, selfless service. Yeah.
That is it.
Burn them sifts. He just keeps giving them soups out. You understand? That's pure love.
That is it.
Ringo, show him how it's done, bro.
Come on. Outside with the people, yeah. Are good vibes. Dante, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start strip off the corn them, you know. Okay. Yeah, man. From now, come. I'm using this as my bin still, you know, Dante. Yeah, man. Yes, people. I'm outside with Dante local. You understand? Play with the thing. Come outside with Dante local people. Yeah. That is it. You
Good
can check
vibes.
him on the TikTok. You understand? And Dante more time will have the behind the scenes of Ringo Vision. And he's also got his own thing that he's got going on, creative things that he's got going on to show you guys as well, yeah. So check him out on the TikTok, people, yeah. That is it, a good vibe. And he's also on camera with Ringo Vision as well. So support the team, that is it. So Dante, I just prepared a corn, yeah.
Okay.
Strip it off. So I'm gonna get Waps now to help me rinse it off. That you see that, people, teamwork, Dante's on camera, Waps. Back again.
Let's go, people.
Let's go.
Right.
Good vibes.
Good vibes, yeah? Sit.
That is it. So we prep the corn now. Yeah. I'm gonna prepare look people. Now wait, we have to do this properly. Let's pause the camera right here, everyone. Let's pause the camera.
I'm here. Is that here today? I don't know what he's cooking up, but here what, bruv?
We're cooking up some soup, man.
It's gonna be some
soup.
soup. It's gonna be
soup.
banging.
So you know, get to know. Boom.
Bang, trust me. Yeah, where's everybody? They should be here now, man.
Innit?
Coming to get a sample.
And ting.
But some of them will cost you about a couple of quid. You ain't getting nothing free though nowadays, man. There's things going on, man.
Yes, people. Big up, mad unks. We're there. We're outside. Yeah, man. The soup. So you don't know, so we have put some onion in the soup, people. Yeah, that is it. A good vibes. All right, people. So me just put some vibes in our pot right now. The one name vibes in our pot, people. Yeah. So look, tomato just get rinsed off. Come in and have a look. That's why make you see the drop in them. Yeah, red onion are going in the pot as well. Yeah, cause vegetable thing. We put the energy in the thing, people, yeah. The red onion, you understand? Add towards the flavor and towards the magical process as well, people, yeah. That is it. Bust the tomato, yeah. And you just put the tomato in 4 halves. So you got quarter is a half, you understand? Drop them in there. Good vibes. Alright, so what I'm doing now, yeah, just busting up the corn and putting some corn in my pot. Yeah. Me and Mad Unks are reading. Mad Unks, go on.
Tell me, no?
I'm just trying to feed the people them, you know. A million people may try to feed them Mad Unks. You think you can go on?
Yes, you can do it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you've been doing it for a long time. You can see, yes.
I'm on 8,000 odd at the moment.
8,000.
Yeah. Are you doing? You're right. I'm active right now. Food I cook, you know. Yes, the food I cook. Yeah. See if I can pass back, cause yes. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yes, people, a good vibe. Me and Mad Unks, we're putting some scallion.
Oh!
Scallion.
Scallion.
I could go nice in Mad Unks.
You have everything just up.
Our character, look.
See there, you got to, man. You know when they get this soup now, they're gonna love it.
Don't take local, look. See how I peel the carrot?
So hold this one.
I can't hold that. Huh? I can't hold that.
Here, look here.
Haste make waste. Haste make waste. Cool. Haste make waste. But you see, we just compose and we just take time, said way. You come with him junk you up, but I'll continue. Look, peel up some carrot quickly. You understand? After I set the
You've been doing
carrot.
this for years, man. I'm telling you.
Family.
That is
Wait,
inside.
yo, what, sir?
How are you?
I'm good, my G.
Yeah, so don't take local, yeah, so I'm gonna put like a carrot in the pot from now, you see it? So what's gonna happen here is that the onion's gonna boil out, the scallion's gonna boil out, the pumpkin's gonna boil out.
You need a bigger trolley.
The tomato, get one from me now, Mad Unks, I doubt if you do.
Where am I gonna get a bigger trolley from?
You see, you suggest it, but you can't find it. You hear them sitting here?
Wait,
you suggest it.
Bill it? I can build one.
Please, take care.
No, you think it's
Please.
so? I will build one for you.
Please. Bless you, right?
Why not have some fun? Yes, Bill it is.
A good
Good
vibe.
wheels as well.
Can you give me assistance? I just want you to just hold this to me, let me just... A good vibe.
Yeah, man, come on.
That is it, look.
Oh, I just realised you give me the hot pot lid.
Yeah,
But you know, my hand them tough already, so don't
that
matter.
is it. So let's pep in the cho-cho. Come look at the bubbles in the pot. Add one cho-cho.
Right, that gone.
Hey, brother. You forget a bigger pot.
How big you want a pot?
How big you want?
Just a little bit bigger.
Remember, suppose I can't afford a bigger pot. Or to I can just work with them and deal with that, you know.
We'll cook it for the homeless people.
Sometimes
We
I
have a
swear
pot at home.
he's serving more.
I'm gonna bring it to you.
You gonna donate me a pot?
You'll be sometimes surprised,
Give me your
man.
number.
Yeah, I bet if you do. How you doing? You right, yeah?
Say,
All right, look, the garlic,
pot, right?
garlic, if we're going.
It's because I know
Yeah,
you're gonna draw people
yes.
in. And when you draw people in, they're gonna want to say to you, it'll get cold.
Yes, Ringo, what are you doing right now?
So what's happening right now? 1 second then.
Right?
What me I deal with right now is some yam. Some white yam. Just put some yam in the pot quickly. Peel it up.
Let me approach without disturbing your thing, but
Good thing to get me hair done. Normally I got my hair out, man.
Some yam,
Well, you
some
must
yam
have
in here.
YouTube, innit? Yeah, that's why.
We're putting some yam in the pot. Madam,
Yo,
yam me I deal with right now, you know.
yeah, that's good for you as well.
Yeah. Root vegetable.
Come on, man. And by the way, I'm not drinking Guinness. I'm drinking Desperado.
Switch it up. Switch it up. Switch it
Yeah.
up on them.
Thank you.
Alright, let me get a shot.
Mission here to feed the homeless here. 1 million people. So I come out 4 times a week and I cook food. And I just hand it out to the homeless people.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I'm putting in the pot right now is some dasheen. It's some like root vegetable. Putting some dasheen in the pot, people, yeah. A good vibe. Like the dasheen, some dasheen in the madam. The dasheen, some dasheen in that pot.
Yeah. What are you doing with the planting?
Planting gonna go in the pot.
pure veg.
All we need now is some harder bread and butter at the end.
Mummy.
So I'm gonna put some
No,
some
no,
carrot in the pot.
We cook for the homeless.
She's just peeling the carrot.
Who can I send them to?
Yeah, Ringo Vision on Instagram.
Okay. Even better, do you have a number or an email? Just because DM sometimes you won't see it.
Yeah, I'll connect you.
Yeah.
I'll take your number and I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
You want my number as well?
Yeah, sure.
What's my number? 079 308.
Do it silently because you're on live on TikTok.
That would have been long.
Ringo shows the way. Ringo, Chef Ringo.
Yes, Joseph.
Carrot golden people.
You see, the right planting as well.
Right planting as well, Joseph.
You see,
To bring more flavor.
all Caribbean, what the best Caribbean recipe.
Caribbean soup. More scallion.
All from Sarah Street, Joseph's Village, okay?
More scallion going in the pot, people. Yes, I'm just seasoning and flavor right now. I'm dealing with. So I put scallion already, but I'm adding more scallion again. I've put onion already, but I'm adding one more onion, people. Car, you understand? The red onion is good for you as well.
No, no, taking our pictures.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I mean, I'm a photographer. I mean, right now I'm on my commercial jobs, but I'm on my lunch, innit? And I was like, there's no way I can fight. Even, you know, the worst way I ever approached someone was Daneo. I saw him in Oxford Street. And don't ask me why I decided to run up and sort of go, bro, the way the guy screwed me. Seriously.
I believe someone come up to me and said, "Oh, I've been saying, yo, what?
Yeah, come on.
Darling, thank you. We got Maddox.
Three green banana. I'm going to the pattern up.
We're doing idle soup. We just locked in. So we'll look at these people.
So look, what's happening right now? This is how you peel the green banana.
See it, watch out. Look people, look.
Big things. Cut a piece of that. Doesn't matter if the skin.
Look, you see the way Ringo cuts it up. Look at that. If you see people, look at that. Look at that. Look at that done. Look. Yeah, thank you, Debbie. Thank you for sharing the life. Big up yourself.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Big up Queen B. Back up. Thank you. Big up yourself.
Don't be watching us cooking for the homeless and not playing your part or playing your role, people.
That's
you
it.
Understand? Play your role. Yeah. If you can't be here, show your genuine support. We need the support.
That's
it. We need to go bigger.
That's
we need to feed more.
Yes.
So if we can feed, for instance, 10 people a day, let's try and feed 20 people a day. Then.
Right.
And that's going to be by you guys' help.
Thank you. That's it, man. And the belly full makes man
I
feel
want the
good.
thing to get into a bigger scale wax.
Yes.
Our tree potato I could one.
Ringo, we're on the way, bro. Don't worry about that. We're on the way, bro.
Alright, so now, here I go on and wax.
Yeah, man.
Some
Let's go.
carrot, I'm going to peel one more carrot.
Yeah, go on now.
Show you the carrot quick.
What's that now? Look. We got to peel the skin first. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, thank you, Craig. Thank you for the big up yourself. Thank you for the gift.
Yep. All gifts is support.
It's support
to go towards the mission.
Exactly that.
And guess what it is? I actually want to go into central London, people, yeah? But when I check the taxi fare to put this in the taxi, it's costing me a little bit of bob to go there and come back. So if you guys can help me get to central London, let's go.
Let's go, people. Hey, FYP, big up nose covered.
About to add in some more carrot.
Hey, thank you for the follow. Thank you to everyone that's joined in. We're cooking idle soup for the community, for the homeless.
Right, so the pot's at the highest it can actually get to right now. So, yeah, man, we need to level it up a little bit and make it
Look at that.
kind of
Look at the techers, people.
on a flat surface.
Look at the techniques. Come on, man. Look at that. Look at this, people.
See it wraps.
Yeah, covered. Jeez. And this is just the beginning, guys. Big up Peter, thank you. Thank you for the journey. Thank you for the sharing. Keep tapping, yeah, keep tapping, yeah, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Hey, big up Elgin, keep tapping, keep tapping.
So where we've reached right now, people, yeah, look, a good vibe. So look, we put a Scotch bonnet pepper in the pot. We've got plantain, we've got yam, we've got sweet potato, you understand, we've got corn, we've got pumpkin. And what's gonna happen right now, yeah, look at the big piece of pumpkin, yeah. It looks all see-through, it looks like it's just water, look. It looks like it's just water. But guess what's gonna happen in a minute? There's gonna be a transformation. Let me look up so that the pot can bubble up and we can get to see that transformation, people, yeah, good vibes. I shopping Charlie where I cook pan, you know. What? Shopping Charlie we're cooking on, you know?
Shopping Charlie, cook on, you know, listen.
That's Dante local, people, yeah.
Listen.
Good vibes.
Hey, thank you. Patience is what's the word?
Are you from Croydon? Are you from Croydon?
Right.
How long have you lived in Croydon? How long have you lived in Croydon?
I was living in Croydon all my life.
All your life?
Yeah, I worked for Jackers on further away.
Okay, have you got a little bit of history you can tell us about Croydon? Nothing?
No, live on my own.
Yeah? Cool, no problem. Happy?
I'm happy. I don't have any problems that way.
Alright, see? Look, that's the history. He's happy, he lives on his own. You right there, love? We're going to have some soup ready in about half an hour.
Just put it down. I want to get up street. I'll come back.
Half an hour. You need soup. Huh?
Yeah, we are.
This is the cut down.
Oh, go on, no.
It's the everything.
Mine's just been not so greedy and get some exercise. I eat too much.
Yeah, that's what I said. I heard you say it earlier. I think it was because of idols.
There's a dumpling on the item. No. Yeah. Nah, man. Dumpling wheat, innit? Yeah, it's wheat, but it's like still a process. The idol is like the non-processed. Nothing processed. Yeah, nothing. Okay.
Yes, Ringo. So what are you doing right now?
So what I'm doing here, I'm breaking the pumpkin down so that we can get the colour transformation in our pot, Dante. So this is the last bit of pumpkin. Probably they smell loud, isn't it?
There's people. There's some okra in there.
I've got an okra now, yeah?
Yeah, it is. Bare okra.
Look at the texture. Look at this.
Yes, everybody, big up yourself. We reached that moment. Big man, where you go? I mean, you there, you can't run no food, no camera tonight. You can't run. You have to come back, man. You have to come back. You can't run, man.
Don't worry.
Remember, I said, man, you have to cook food, man.
Don't worry.
Yeah. All right, people. So look, we've just done complete. Yes, the big man here. I mean, I cook food today. That is it. Vegetable soup. Everything ready, you know. Look. That is it, people. Yeah. Give it a one look.
Look at the color.
Look at the colors, people.
Beautiful. Sparkling.
Look at that.
And that goes inside your body. Kick off. Kick off. Kick off. Big one.
So first of all, yeah, we have to put in.
You're on camera, you can't lie.
This looks good. And it
Look
tastes
at
good.
that. Look at that.
So,
A good vibe.
wow. That's your
Wow.
The happy man. Yes.
Then I'm gonna give you a sweep in a second.
Look. I tell you. I tell you.
Yeah, man. Kick out.
Now you're good.
Lord of mercy.
Hold it.
Yes, you there. Level it up.
Bless.
Boy, good vibes.
What's this? Soup. You want to try some? You can still try some. What is it? Soup. Yeah, what soup is it? There you go. You try. You won't be upset. I can promise you. All right, darling.
Yeah, thank you. Let him sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah, sit down. Sit down there. Give me another plate. I'll carry that. Yeah, thank you, miss. Thank you.
It's all right, babe.
You
You got it for him? You got okay? All right.
I'll have to pull him back now.
Who's going next? You trying some? No. What is it?
You see how quick.
Vegetable soup.
It's good.
Big up Ringo, thank you, bro. See what I mean? Bless up. Don't take some. I'm trying to get my face.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. God bless you.
You know what that means? What am I saying? In car, stop. You know what that means?
Yes, definitely. God bless you. Is this going to be a regular thing or?
It's been regular.
He does it every day. Every day?
No.
Wow, you're an angel.
When he's got time from work.
Hi.
You hear me?
Okay.
When he has time from his proper job.
Where you from?
Congo.
Congo.
Thank you
Big
very
up
much.
yourself. Big up yourself. Let me give you a
Thank you very
spoon.
much.
Sit
Thank
down.
you.
You can sit down and eat.
1 minute. Maybe back.
Yes, everybody, so we're just outside right now, and yeah, man, it's a good vibes, and this is what it's all about. We're able to share out just a little bit of the food, not even a lot, you know, just a little bit. You understand? And see that of them there sit down and eat dinner.
Hey! This money.
Them there, you know, and yeah, ancestors. We have to show everybody where I go, man. Ancestors, them there, man.
Yeah, it's alright.
Eh?
All right.
You're right. Yeah, just
So you just, what kind of energy you can't come here, so brother?
No, I want to
Thank you very much.
Who's in charge?
Thank you.
I'm in charge.
Okay.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you very much.
One second.
It's full of tears.
Yeah.
Full of, enjoyment.
Yes.
Thank you.
I need you to say something for the camera as well before you leave.
It's gorgeous. It's full of taste.
Give me a cereal.
So I'm gonna.
I feel warmed inside, and you are amazing. You're an angel. I was hungry. You fed me. Thank you very much. And I think that CROYDON Market, you're like a gift to them. People can now learn from you how to make delicious food. It's gorgeous. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Standing up here, not doing nothing.
Yes, everyone. So we're there. Just to give the gentleman here a bowl of soup with some corn, some vegetables, plantain, yam, sweet potato, a good vibe. And a 1 spoon. Yeah, just stick around here if you want more.
Yeah, for my head.
Yeah, if you want more, come back.
Yeah.
Or tell him to come. Okay.
His hospital is coming.
Okay. His hospital is coming?
Yeah.
So should we bring one for him?
Yeah.
You want one more?
Yeah. Okay.
Don't tell you, you're going to bring it with him?
Yeah. Show him come on in.
No. In Belgium, leg no good. Oh. So I'll give my soup so you can carry it. Oh, yeah. No, go on, you're right. Yeah, man, I have food away from it. You don't know anything about it, man. Food have to wake him up. Yeah. So I buy him up. Bread, don't take him, bring him bread for him. Bread. No, he's going to carry it. Don't take it. He's going to help you. He's helping you. Which way? You're going on that bench? There. Yeah, go. Thank you, go. That is it, people, yeah? I had to go and grab him from quite up there. He had a strong drink in his hand and I make him park up the drink and come get some food.
Yeah, he looks well happy. He needs that to just balance.
Yes, everybody, I've just given this gentleman some soup, some vegetable soup. Big up yourself, yeah? How long have you been homeless for?
3 people, yes.
How long?
3 people.
Okay. I didn't really get that, but I give him some food. I give him some food anyway. But you take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
All right then. Thank you. Alright, so we're outside right now. The vibes are going. That is it. Yeah. Come on. Outside. That is it. Good vibes. Alright, so we're on the go with the kitchen right now. So good vibes. Yeah, man. Outside. That is it. Nice sunshine there and the background. Yeah, so you know what time it is. It's time to feed up the people them and look for the people them first and foremost. You understand? Before we can even feed them, we have to look for them before we can feed them. Wow, what's going on the high street here, Mark? Yeah, left. What's this? They got something on our high street and they're not giving away food. But alright, so good vibes. Let's go. Seems like there's some form of food fair going on here on CROYDON High Street. Very different type of food. Mark, let me show them where I go on, because you know it's a cooking channel. Show them what's happening out here. Okay. Good stuff? Okay. Good stuff? That is it. See what's over here. That is it. Alright. See big man over there, so I deal with bag as well. Yes, people, so we're on the high street. Bare things are going on the high street today. Alright. What's this? Cheshire Cheese Company. And we got over here. What's this? What you got going on over here, mate? Roast pork there.
Foot-long sausage and bit
Foot-long sausages. Yeah, foot-long sausages, people.
Sausage.
That is it. Alright, big up yourself, mate. That is it. We're outside. 1 second. You right there, love? I thought I was talking to the gentleman there for a minute, but I realised that he was just stuck. Alright, no problem. I'm just doing a little vlog of Croydon. I'm out with my shopping trolley. I come out 4 times a week to feed the homeless. Some pot of soup. But I see this happening, so I'm just... How is it? How long you guys been doing this?
About a year.
Yeah, I see you got so many different variations of cheese.
We're doing that.
Nice. And then... Okay, these are the samples that you've got.
That's right.
What cheese is that?
It's jerk spice. Jerk spice.
Jerk spice.
Yeah.
Okay, and it goes with the chili pepper, yeah?
That's just a decoration, really.
Okay, and what's this one here?
That's El Gringo. It's a Mexican.
El Gringo.
It's a Mexican one.
Dante, you want to do a cheese taste? You want to do a cheese taste from your camera? Go on. Alright, so we're going to try, what's that cheese again?
Well, which one?
The one in the corner?
Jerk spice.
Jerk spice. Try the jerk spice, Dante. Let me know what it tastes like on camera. Jerk spice. What's it like?
Actually tastes like jerking.
Tastes like jerk?
Spicy as well, yeah.
A good vibes. That is it.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
9 out of 10, yeah.
Ah, what's that? 9 out of 10 for what? What's that?
Jerk spice cheese.
All right, let's please. Which one is it? This one?
Yeah. What are we saying?
It's nice.
Nice. Alright, so where we are right now, we're at Cheshire Cheese Company. Young lady here and the gentleman there. That's it. I thought I was wondering when I was gonna get a smile and a hello. We're here. We're here trying to big up the company. Good stuff. Alright, thank you very much.
You haven't tried it yet.
Good stuff. Alright, let's go. You wanna try the cheese, Mark? Alright, cool. Look, there's some sweeties over here. Bare things are going on in Croydon here today. Once again, Mark. Bare things are going on in Croydon today. Candies, all sorts of stuff. Licorice. Alright, we're back over here.
How are we doing, guys?
How long you been doing this, sir?
10 years.
10 years. What got you into all the candies?
I like sweet things.
Alright, so look, I'm vlogging at the moment.
Yeah.
So tell people where they can get you. Are you on social media?
Nah, no social media.
But
You get me when you can. I pop up in markets, I'm coming out of your town, in and out. You got to get where you can.
where are you originally from, though?
Guildford, not
He's
far.
from Guildford. Look,
Yeah.
he says it will pop up in your local town centre somewhere. Get him when you can, and it's Old English fudge, yeah.
Granny Sally's Old English fudge.
That is it, people. Say that again.
Granny Sally's Old English fudge, yeah?
That is it. Big up yourself, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, good vibes. Today, yeah, I'm out with a shopping trolley. Yeah, I come out 4 times a week in Croydon and just feed the homeless. So that's it. But we see something else going on. But you understand? Good stuff. Have a good one, yeah. Yeah. So that is it. Back on it again, Mark. Candy store over there. Get yourself a candy.
Hello?
What's it you're providing today in our local town of Croydon? What's on the menu?
Menu is here.
No, but tell me, what traditional food is it?
Oh, it's Oriental.
Oriental. Dumplings.
And bawang.
Okay.
Yeah.
From which country?
From Taiwan, Japan,
Where are you from?
China.
You're from China?
Yeah.
Okay, how long you been making dumplings? Let me buy one. How much are your dumplings?
You want some?
Just one?
Yeah.
We're gonna try for the camera.
Give me 2 minutes.
Okay. Because you know back home, yeah, in Jamaica, we have dumplings.
Yeah, dumpling is very popular. It's all over the world.
Yeah,
you know.
But our dumplings a bit different. It's like we can boil it or we fry it.
Our dumplings also can boil, can steam, can pan fry.
Okay.
And we do deep fry.
Deep fry. Okay. Dumpling.
Chicken, China melon.
Dumpling.
Dumpling. Chicken dumpling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yummy. Very yummy.
That is it, people, yeah. That is it, people, yeah. So our good vibes, we're out on the high street, you understand? And yeah, something different for the channel as well, you understand? We get to show you the interaction of what's going on out here, as well as we're out cooking for the homeless. Our good vibes. Street food, you understand? Waiting for my duck, plane. That is it. Good vibe. Thank you. Oh wow. What's inside?
Chicken. Good try.
Come on, Kingston. Mark, you gonna try a dumpling, please? Go on. Response. Go on. Good stuff. Oh. Yeah. Proper things. Alright, people, so look. This is where we got it. Right here. So you can come and check him out, people, yeah? Are you on social media as well?
Yeah.
Wait, tell them where to get you on social media.
Instagram.
Yeah, what's the name?
Okay. It's Mr. Dumpling and Bubble Tea.
Mr. Dumpling
and Bubble Tea.
This name here, yeah? Okay, that is it, people, yeah? And you can check him out on Instagram, yeah? Our good vibes. We say good stuff.
That was good.
You're coming out, you want the next one?
Yeah, I mean, listen, I hear content.
Now, you know this is not normal. Look, it's freshly baked coconut cakes, but everyone wants to try one. What's it like, guys?
It's
Good?
good.
I've tried. Yeah, of course, come on, love. Coconut. Let's try, guys. Good?
How long have you been making coconut cakes?
Since April. I'm a trained stonemason by profession.
Okay. So what it is, yeah, I'm Jamaican.
Yeah.
We got this thing called coconut drops.
Alright.
And it's like, or grater cake.
Right.
And it's all coconut.
Yeah.
Can you try one? So I can,
right.
Have you got another piece that you can try it?
Yeah.
So you bake them. And what are these then? What are these?
So they're chocolate chip.
Yeah.
And then they're plain. These are raw. We bake them here fresh.
Yeah.
So all the baked ones are up there. Oh, these are raw.
I'm vlogging on YouTube. Where can we find you?
You can't, unfortunately. We don't have Instagram, we don't have Facebook. All we do is these markets, so we just pop up, people come out. We've been doing, this company's been around for 16 years.
Yeah.
So everywhere we go, people know us, they come back. We have constant things.
What, freshly baked coconut cakes?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, it's just macaroons.
Oh,
there is a
macaroons.
website for the company there.
Oh, macaroons. We down macaroons, people. Yeah, big up yourself. Alright, mate, thanks a lot.
Yeah, no worries, my man.
Good stuff.
Take care,
Yeah. Today, my mission here, I'm out with my shopping trolley, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm just feeding the homeless in CROYDON.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I do it 4 times a week.
Yeah.
But because you guys are out, I just thought, let me stop and interact.
No,
I'm
I
on a
appreciate
mission.
that. Respect,
Big up
brother.
yourself, man, yeah?
Take care, yeah?
One love. Yeah. Good stuff. What you say, Bobby?
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah,
that's alright.
It's a shame that the council would allow these people to come in for one day and maximise off of them through street vending and collect wages from them for each little pitch. But man want to come out here and they want to chat rubbish. But let me chat to these people here. Hello everybody, wagwan. I'm just vlogging for YouTube. Mr. say you have a jerk pork, I don't eat pork, but man, big up yourself, Sedway. Jerk chicken, big up yourself, you understand? Where can we find you on the social media?
Actually, this is not jerk. It is a fusion between Ghana and Kenya.
What?
Yes.
That's a one, yeah?
Yeah.
How good vibes?
We
So
take
is that a jollof rice infusion?
This is infusion. Everything is infusion. So we take the herbs from Kenya and Ghana. We mix them. We make our own spice.
But it's all looking all Jamaican over here.
What is Jamaican and what's not Jamaican?
You know, so we deal with the jerk chicken and the jerk pork naturally traditionally.
Yeah, so jerk is the seasoning.
And then no, but the style, that authenticness with the pimento wood and the jerk pan and all of them style there with the pork, big half of pork and it's
we do that in Africa too.
Yeah.
We use firewood.
But we know Africa for jollof rice.
No, you know one particular country or a few particular countries.
Tell me some more things then. Tell me something I don't know then. Cause
so you don't know.
Something today.
My food is great. It's flavor of
What's this?
This is Nairo sauce.
Nairo sauce?
Yeah.
Can I have some on my finger?
You want to have some on the finger?
Yeah.
Sure you can.
I'll taste it.
I'll bring it for you here and then you can taste it there. So we have Nairo green, which is pepper.
It's got like a peppercorn. Like a peppercorn taste.
Yeah, exactly.
Kind of mild, yeah?
Mild.
Alright,
and then we have one that is extra hot.
So what would you add this one to? Which one of the...
Oh, you add it on the rice and everything.
Okay, so that's a gravy, yeah?
It's kind of like a gravy, but it's a sauce.
Is it traditional?
Pardon?
Is it traditional?
Hello, what's up? Come and buy some food. We're here until Sunday, 4 o'clock.
Where are you?
We're here.
Where's here?
Oh, North End in Croydon.
And what's it like here in Croydon?
Croydon, it's give and take, whatever your vibe is.
Okay.
It's for everybody.
What's the people like here?
People are nice, but you know, some people are bad. So it's whatever you want to take.
All right.
Yeah.
Bless up, yeah?
Bless up.
Are you on YouTube? Are you on social media?
I am on social media. I'm on Instagram, @acronairo_grills. And then the website is acronairo.com.
That is it.
Follow us, share, come and have some food.
That is it.
Make some love with food.
Big up yourself, yeah?
Alright.
Right. That is it. All of this makes the place look like there's no homelessness around here. Like, hey, Mark, where's all the homeless people gone?
Payday, brother. Friday, payday.
Everybody's running up for now, yeah? My. Wow, look at this. Thank you, man. Amazing. Look at this. What's this?
Seafood paella. It's Spanish. Paella.
Paella. Seafood paella. Good stuff. We're gonna come back later. Thank you very much, yeah? Seafood paella. Wagwan. Then. Yes, car. Guess what I got now? I'm just vlogging. Big up yourself. What food you got in the menu? I should say you have some dumplings, some plantain, cabbage.
Stewed chicken.
Wow.
Curry mutton.
Curry chicken.
Curry mutton. Rice and peas and white rice.
Yeah, operate us up on the high street, a good vibes. Are you guys on social media?
Yeah, Pimento's Bar and Grill.
You hear that? Pimento's Bar and Grill. What's so good about your food, though?
Pardon?
What's so good about your food?
Everything.
Like?
Exotic. The seasoning, everything. Flavors, the flavor, yeah.
You hear that, people? They said the thing's exotic, so check them out, yeah, because they have good food that go on. Yard style.
Everything what
Alright. Good vibes. Alright, big up yourself, yeah?
Okay, bye-bye.
Croydon's on such a development. The place is looking good, but the place are so fast. Yeah, the people, that's it. People them's lost to go. What you saying then? Build up this. Everybody have to come out. Yeah. Everybody have to come out, man. That is it. Dave, are you come look for him? What go on?
How are you? Not a walking today. All the minute I woke up. The minute I won't come, I'm non-stop. Non-stop literally from the minute I won't come.
That is it.
You're right with that camera, you Dave.
But do you know what? I don't even, yeah, it's alright. But do you know what? I don't even think just because she come up to randomly a week or so ago, a couple of nights, and she's still here. She's actually all acting like she's going away. I don't know, something like that. And now she's actually talking anyway. And do you know what? She gave me a lend of £18, yeah? She said, where's my £18? I said, no, that was your rent.
Dave, where's that put this?
Just down there, pressure right. Yeah. And I cover it with, let me get a tissue and I cover it.
Bread?
Yeah, thank you. But I don't even... Yeah, thank you. But no, I don't think you're like that. I don't know. I mean, company's hard enough as it is.
Slice of bread?
Yeah.
1 or 2?
2, please. Thank you, I appreciate that. Sincerely, and that's just for me. But as you said the last time as well, everything I get gets nicked. Somebody gave me that rain thing the guy takes to the church. I can't, you know what I mean? You can't keep track. But yeah, the lady over there, yeah. They're sitting outside the cheap mills.
You can check her out.
But I don't, No, look, no, it's good over there now. Look, no, it's good over there now. See that? In the brown, seeing that brown jacket.
Busy on the roadside today with the kitchen to blows, not people. Yeah, Fred is busy today. How are you? Someone stole my blanket. Ringo, you gonna look like that? Huh? Yeah, do.
Right down there.
I do, Mark, I do. Yes, everybody. You're welcome. All good. There's bread as well.
How's that taste? Yeah, alright, darling. Stay safe.
Give me a hand. Big up yourself. Big up the iTunes. Yes, people, coming. So, yeah, man, today's been a good day, people, yeah. Out West Croydon. You understand? We gave out quite a few food today. It was a good vibes, you understand? We travelled around town. You get me? We're looking to venture out into different areas and going into different communities, people, yeah? So don't forget to do the right thing. Just keep on supporting people, yeah? Just, you understand, share it with friends and family. Like, leave your feedback, let me know what you think. You understand, people, yeah? Our good vibes, that is it. Outside, 24-hour kitchen, people, yeah? Ringo Vision, that is it. One love. Yeah, man, it's home time, people. So we've got the pulley here, and you know what time it is? Yeah, man, it's that time where, you understand? We hit the road. That is it, our good vibes.